Hello, congratulations on your newly implanted Optimizer Smart for the treatment of heart failure. We trust that with Optimizer Smart, you will receive an improvement in your quality of life like so many patients have enjoyed. In addition to the Optimizer Smart implantable device, you should have received an Optimizer mini charger system for you to use to recharge your implanted Optimizer Smart device. This video is to help you understand the features and use of the Optimizer mini charger system. The mini charger includes the following: mini charger with attached charging wand, AC adapter, which is the external power supply, carrying case for the charger and AC adapter. Now let us take a look at the features of the mini charger. Start button. Start button found in the middle of the mini charger is represented by the blue circle with a triangle in the center. Connection strength. Found on the top left of the charger, the antenna bars display the strength of the charger communicating with the Optimizer Smart. Charger battery status. Found on the bottom left and displays the amount of battery life in the mini charger. Optimizer Smart battery status. Found on the bottom right and displays the battery life of the Optimizer Smart. Call Doctor. Found on the top right and displays a numeric code about the status of the Optimizer Smart device. Charging your mini charger. The mini charger must be charged before use. Plug the charging cord into a wall socket. Now, plug the charging adapter into the top of the mini charger by inserting it into the round open port on top of the charger. The charging process takes about 1 hour. Charging your Optimizer Smart. Now that the battery pack in the mini charger is fully charged, let us review charging the Optimizer Smart device. Please ensure that the mini charger is unplugged from the charging cord. Your mini charger will not charge your Optimizer Smart device if the external power supply cord is plugged into the top of the charger. Place the round blue paddle over the area where the device is implanted. The charging process will work over normal layers of clothing. The paddle will stay in place by gently placing the cord around the back of your neck. To start the charging process, press and hold the start button for 2 to 3 seconds until you hear a soft beep and then release the button. If you hear a loud beeping noise, this indicates that the charging wand needs to be repositioned over your Optimizer Smart. If the mini charger is unable to locate the device after 10 seconds, it will automatically power off. Wait until all of the lights dim, adjust the paddle over the device, and repeat the process again. When adjusting the blue paddle, please pause after each movement so that the antenna has time to find the Optimizer Smart device. Once connection is successful, the audible beeps stop and charging begins. The connection antenna, found in the top left corner of the charger, will display 2 or more lights indicating a proper connection. While the device is charging, the battery strength of the mini charger will go down as the battery strength of the Optimizer Smart increases. Even though the mini charger will display 4 lights on the Optimizer Smart battery status, the Optimizer Smart may only be 76% charged. Once the Optimizer Smart device is fully charged, the mini charger will automatically shut off. A charging session takes approximately 1 hour per week to fully charge the Optimizer Smart. Finally, let's discuss the call doctor, found in the top right of the mini charger. The area relays the information about Optimizer Smart that requires attention. If during the charging process you receive a numerical code, please contact your cardiologist or call Impulse Dynamics Tech Services at 1-866-312-5370. Please note that if any codes appear, they are not signaling an emergency or anything about your health. When cleaning the mini charger, please use disinfectant or alcohol wipes. Also, please store the mini charger in the carrying case in a cool, dry location, avoiding extreme temperatures, or keep your charger plugged into the wall socket. Thank you for your attention during this video. All the best to you and your health.